Welcome back to Broken Plays Everything! And some Hyperlight Drifter. First, we're gonna go north. I think there was a super door that I could never open earlier that I can get into now. I forgot all about it. I think it takes 5 of the little diamond things, or 6 or something, and we just cleaned up shop and hit 8, so we should be all about that, right? Because I saw when I was heading over to a different one earlier on. There's one for 3, we'll just call them Triforce pieces, and one for 5 that I swear are side by side right here. See, or wait, is that 3/4 of all of them done? No, I've been in that. That's the 3. I swear there was another one. Was there not? This. 8. Oh! Hello. Don't mind if I do. Bing! Where am I? Ah! What's that? Out of ammo. I'm always out of ammo in this game. It is A and then X, absolutely. Ha! Huh? Hidden health? Yeah? No? Okay. What do they have left to give me if I've cleared out so much goodness in the area, you know? Oh! Okay. Well, maybe I had to reflect a hit to kill him. There's some money over there. That'll be good. They're pretty well LOS for now. Okay, alright, yeah, okay. Getting a little better with the gun. It used to be a much more impressively terrible shot. I feel like I'm actually hitting things sometimes. Dude, really? Now what? I don't see a switch. Can I make that? Oh, okay. It's closed. It's tight on the corners. That looks very door-like. Sorry, head itch. Oh, he can't see me from here. Wait, oh, I got a shot right. Suck it, nerd. What? 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 Come on. Awesome. Loving that. Oh god, who'd you kill? Dude, come on. Thank you. Sacrifice. Ah, that's messed up. Not that I'm any better running around desecrating tombs all over the place, but still. I was trying to heal. It like burns your heal. Dude. Come on. With this. Come on. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, can you... That looks like a jump up spot. Oh, here we go. Ah, there's the secret. Very ominous. Foreboding. I left money back there. What to go back for? Uh-oh. Crap. Whatever, man. I'm ready for adventure. Got my bullets back now. Shoot. God. Man, it's gotta lead to something if it's like all this. God. Ah, I was trying to shoot. I misclicked. I misbuttoned. Oh, fuck. Alright, back into the gauntlet. Let's do it. No bullets. Just how I like it. Let's do it. What you got? Oh, they just converged on me. Ah, like vultures, very literally. Come on. If I get to the big section, that's when I need to use my bomb. Whew. Just gonna reflect through. Ah, missed. Oh my god. That's a lot of reflecting! I didn't realize it was so much reflecting. Man, I don't enjoy birds that much. Ugh, let's try again. Oh no! Heal. Good dog, good dog. You get a start on one of them at least. No! Oh my god, this is so hard! Shit! Okay. Come on. I'm still feeling confident? Yeah, sure. Can I get some more health for this? A little healthy thing? Ugh, it's very one way, isn't it? Why is this room pink? Why is that a dead end? What? Oh, there's a shortcut back, though. I thought there was a shortcut back. Is there not? That's too hard. Let's do it. Yeah, okay, let's do it. But I'm not happy about it. I like my dash move, you jerk. Ugh. Dude, really? Come on. Oh my god, it's so hard. I don't know if I got close, but I did really well the first time. Maybe I do need a laser and just piercing shot through several at a time. Maybe dash more. Huh, like right there. I healed on the way down. I did. I was left buffering on the way down. Like I ran into that. I didn't know it stab swing my way off a cliff. Stupid bird gauntlet. Jesus. All right. Yeah, can you line up one after the other like that? Can we keep doing that, please? That's not fair! Huh? How's that gonna work? That's a little buggy. Ah, I died anyway. I wasn't trying to cheat, I just thought it helped to start on the platform with the priest guy. But I think I bugged out the event a little bit, or I mean I was just locked out of the... I don't know. I don't know what happened. It didn't bode as well as I'd hoped. Yeah, that one wasn't going well from the start, so a little okay with it. Maybe I can get a bunch of them on here and then throw my grenade. I have it. Yeah. Great. Well, patience is a virtue, but here it's, of course, harder. Unless you want to nicely line up for me. No! I was in a good spot! I just needed to use my heal, you know? Oof. Alright. Back to it, adventurer. Let's do it. Losing half my health at that wave was definitely messing me up, and it kept happening, so preventing that'll help a little bit. What the? Acting all funny. There we go. No, I lost my bearing. A little bit. All bugged out again. That's fine. I don't like bugging out. It's not helpful. I don't want to win the really long, patient way. I want to win the gutsy, awesome way. Oh, I'm a badass. Who wants some of this? Only hit once. That's good. That's good. Shut up. On principle. Oh, come on! Heal and lose one immediately, you jerk. I hit it! No, I know I hit it, man! I was all up on it. It's easier when I have the full platform, way easier. I don't know why it's a later wave thing. I just always have a single health when I get there. Of my, like, 8 usable. There. Some more of that, please. So every guy I kill without using the gun, I'm gonna pull it back on. That's not even right. I'm amazed they put me on the right platform after. I like dashed off because it's a really good way to get out of danger and attack. The dash stab that I got recently. They're such cheese bags about everything. It's the staggered ones that are dangerous. When there's one right behind another, I'm like guaranteed to get hit. It's best to use bullets here, and then on the priest phase. I was hitting the grenade button. Ah, it was a good time to that's what I need, a grenade. Very clearly. At least it hit some. No, dash back! Not cool. Oh, God, come on. Ugh. I'm committed to this depravity. It's okay. You heard me. Depravity. See if I can pull them over, just a couple, before like the big wave spawns. Have them out of the way. That helped. That helped. There. Good. Oh, please let me through. Is it just for... not even hell, is it just for a buck? Please lead to something of some substance. Since I wasted 15 minutes of the video on that accident. On that one platform. I'm just there, and that's that. Great! And I left some money in there. I think they thought that would be like a normal thing. not like a big deal thing as I made it out to be, but they were wrong. Jeepers. I think teleporting heals you, actually. So that'd be nice. Oh god, it ran long. I'm sorry. We had to get through the Super Bird Gauntlet. But this was... Yeah, I'm healed. That's good. This is Broken Plank, everything. And I will catch you on the next one. Take care now. Bye!